Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Troy-Built Super Bronco with a 208cc engine on it. This thing's only like a year old, but what they did, they tilled their garden last year, left the gas in there. In the spring when they want to till their garden, it won't start. So let's see if we can get this going for them. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we'll go ahead and take this air filter off. You can see it's hardly ever been used. I checked the oil. The oil looks brand new, and it just either got some junk in the carburetor, or I got to use a air wrench here. Should be another bolt there somewhere. Looks like there's a 8mm on the side over here. Got a couple screws on the top here. There we go. Grab a bowl to drain that old gas out of there. Ooh, that smells bad. We'll slide this out a little bit. Unhook the governor rod. And the spring. And there we go. Spray it off a little bit before we tear it apart. Okay, let's go ahead and take that bowl off there. Well, that thing's stuck on there. It's all like yellow in there and it's all sticky in here. See that yellow stuff in the bottom? And then we're going to go ahead and take our pilot jet out, or people call them idler jets. We got to take this screw out for the idle. And before we take it out, kind of see how far it sticks out. So when we put it back in, we have an idea how far to put it in. And we just pull this, it's just pressed in there. And there's a hole here, and a little hole right there. That's your idler jet right there. Just like take like a piece of wire. Make sure that's nice and clean. And you just take some carburetor, like plug one of these big holes off. And you see a nice stream come out of there. That means it's not clogged up no more. But I'm gonna go ahead and boil this out. Use the ultrasonic cleaner. Go ahead and plop them in there. I got two terribly bad, so probably do it for while the carburetor is being cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead and blow out the tank. Make sure there ain't no water in there, or dirt or anything. I'm gonna blow out the fuel line. Okay, just got out of the cleaner. And if you don't have all of them, just a can of carburetor cleaner works good. You just Make sure the main jet right here is cleaned out. Just stick a wire in there and clean it out and spray carburetor cleaner in there. And like I said on your pilot jet, make sure that little jet's nice and clean too. So now we can go ahead and put it back together. And this drain bolt should be kind of opposite of the fuel intake there, so there's room to get to it. Good. Tighten that up. There. Pilot jet. Just press it in there. And that's what holds it in there is your idler screw. And before we took it apart, we kind of guessed on how far that screw went in there. I think it was about like right there, but you know, you can always fine tune it later. Okay, now we can go ahead and put this back on the tiller now. It's all ready to go. Stick that on there. Get our governor rod. Then our spring. With our gas hose lined up. Go ahead and put the clamp on. Then our choke lever. Clamp our vent tube on there. And we'll put our top bolt in. Get them nice and snug. I blew out the air filter. Voila. Now I guess we'll take her off the bench and we'll put some fuel in there. See if we can't get it started. Yeah, we'll put some fresh premium fuel in there. Okay. Put that on fast. I think that's choke. All right, well, there you go. It's ready to go till in the garden again. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like the videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good day. Bye.